Yeah, good afternoon from sunny Netherlands, huh? Look. Oh, well,
Dutch potatoes.
Dutch potatoes. Well, great day today. We have an open door day. And we got many visitors today from all kinds of countries. And as you can see, we have many bikes out here. Two strokes. Beautiful NS 400R Roadmans, Freddie Spencer. Some Audi 350s. LCs. ZR 250. Kawasaki 6 cylinders here on the road. And then we say 750. Beautiful black 900 with gold. My own CBX. K0, K6, K2, CB1100R, NC30, CB400. Very nice lineup of West Coolies. One. Ja? Ja. Niet